Getting oil change. Ohayo gozaimasu. We're gonna cross the border to Mexico.
Mexico.
Mexico. Okay, now we are at the border. We crossed the border once already. Like it was so easy. Like we got confused. There's a declare or no declare, and we thought we have nothing to declare, so we just crossed the gate, and we were expected somebody to stop us and question. No, nothing happened. So we were just driving to the Mexico right away. But we still need to get the permission for the car, and we went inside the building. Not many people speak English here.
Yeah, it's really like I was shocked. Like it's the border, isn't it? Like,
It's a border, yes. They cross the border. It's America, like.
but I guess there's like some kind of zone, like you can just do whatever the hell you want.
They call it hassle-free vehicle zone. Apparently, if you just wanted to stay less than 72 hours, you can enter the zone without the visa or vehicle permit.
So now we're going to kind of a second border.
And I'm pretty sure we got robbed a little bit. Yeah, that was like parking security guy or something. He was so friendly and tried to help us hard, but like, okay, now like $2 for parking, and like, so we paid $5 American dollars. He gave us change from his wallet, 20 peso.
Yeah, which is like peanuts.
Yeah, what we can say, huh? To travel in Mexico with our own car, we need to get the temporary vehicle import permit from one of immigration office they call Banjercito. And also, we need to get the tourist card for ourselves, which we didn't know. The first Banjercito at the border, they take only cash. Stupidly, we didn't have any Mexican cash with us. So they send us to next Banjercito office, which is about 30 kilometers further. So we are at the second border at Chihuahua. We just parking here and go inside the building and get the personal permit. But we still have to get the car permit. This can take time. What did you get, honey pie?
We got a temporary vehicle import permit.
Exactly. We are supposed to get our deposit back. We paid for the temporary vehicle import permit, but I'm not sure. And also personal permit too.
Well, yeah, I don't know what is it, a visa or?
No idea. We paid just $30 for something each.
Yeah,
Yes.
exactly. It was definitely an adventure for sure.
Yeah, and it's so easy to cross border to Mexico.
Oh yeah, like
You can just drive through.
they're not checking. That's
Not
for sure.
at all. Nobody's standing. Nobody stop you, and we're just begging them to please check our passport.
Yeah.
So when we paying for the fee, we use the credit card, and they also ask you PIN number too.
So they can punch it in themselves, which is
So weird.
yeah, not quite right.
It's not safe. That was an interesting Mexican experience, I guess. So it's gonna be really adventure waiting for us. As you may know already, near the border isn't safe. So we have to get out of the way as quick as possible. First small town after the crossing the border. So colorful. I was so scared of the security at the border.
Yeah, that's
Oh, of course they have a guns, and they just kind of hiding their face, and they don't smile at me.
hiding their face.
Mexico has a lot of toll. Since we don't have any Mexican cash, we paid by US dollars, and they give us Mexican money for the change. If you have a plan to go to Mexico, please don't forget to get some cash first. After 7 hours of driving, we arrived in the next big town from the border, Chihuahua. Yes, now we are in the shopping center. First thing we got was Lonely Planet in Mexico. You can see how we are well prepared. Anyway, time to go for a walk. This is one of the main Catholic church in the city of Chihuahua. It is now recognized as one of the most valuable buildings in the city. I guess this is the downtown in Chihuahua. Chihuahua. That's a cute name, the dog, Chihuahua.
Yeah.
Casa Chihuahua is the one of the main tourist spot. We didn't go in because we'd rather spend money on food. But we like to see historical buildings. It's almost lunchtime. Let's go find some Mexican food. What's that? Drink?
Yeah, it looks good, huh?
Yes! Looks exactly like Japanese melon pan. I miss Japanese food. Kebabu. Yeah. Oh, that looks great.
How much was it?
6.
Oh yeah, it's cheap.
Oh, what you got?
No idea.
Oh, you losing, honey? Tasty?
I guess it's kind of like a snowflake for Christmas or something.
Maybe.
It's just like big batter.
Our favorite place to visit? Supermarket. My most exciting place? Bakery. This one's interesting. Legs. People are getting full bag of this. I have no idea what this is. Finally, we sit down in the restaurant. You spoke some Spanish. I was so impressed.
Well, you'd have to try a little bit.
What did you say?
Those cocas,
Those cocas?
those burritos, and then
Those burritos.
but then we ran into some problem because they're asking what flavor.
Yeah, we don't know. Pastor. Asado.
Yeah.
Ah, mine looks better. I think mine's a chicken. Ah, I don't know. How is it?
Need a fork.
Bueno. Next week on Banjercito, we are going to the biggest canyon in Mexico. Oh, we're going down there. This Copper Canyon is larger and deeper than Grand Canyon. There are beautiful rock formations, amazing culture, and lots of cute animals.